All right, let's whip up this easy vegan butter recipe. So first thing first, we're going to take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, place it in 1/3 cup of almond milk, whisk it together so it can curdle. We're going to place it to the side so it can do its thing, and we're going to focus on the other ingredients and get back to this. Okay, so next we're going to take 1 cup of melted refined coconut oil and pour this into the blender cup. Keyword, you want it to be refined, not unrefined, because you do not want your butter to taste like coconut. So please use refined coconut oil. Then next we're going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Avocado oil is a great option rather than olive oil because it has a neutral, milder taste. So 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, we're going to add it to the blender cup. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast. Now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. Next, we're going to take a dash of turmeric powder, just a sprinkle. And then we're going to take our almond milk apple cider vinegar mixture that we put to the side in the beginning, and we're going to pour it into the blender. We're going to blend everything until very smooth. Once the butter is well blended and smooth, you're going to pour it into your dish of choice. I have a glass dish here. And then we're going to pop it into the refrigerator for a few hours until it solidifies and is well set. So after a few hours, the butter has set. I've taken it out of the refrigerator to show you how solid it is. Flipping it upside down to show you it's not going anywhere. It has set completely. So now we're going to go ahead and butter the toast. Although it is solid butter, it does spread very easily. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. However, if you want a whipped butter, you can take it out ahead of time, cut a piece out, and thaw it at room temperature. But this spreads very easily. It's very lovely. Voila. So for those of you that want to see the melted butter, I'm going to go ahead and throw some of the butter into a little bowl, and I'm going to melt it on the microwave for about 10 seconds to show you how simple that is. Voila, melted butter. So simple, you guys. Now I'm going to drizzle this delicious butter onto this toast. Look at that melty goodness.